Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Southern California Edison incentives for home EV chargers, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Southern California Edison incentives for home EV chargers, begin by visiting the Southern California Edison website. Navigate to the incentives section. Look for the specific program related to electric vehicle chargers, often labeled as EV charger incentives. Review the eligibility requirements to ensure you qualify for the incentives. Check if you are a Southern California Edison customer and if your home is within their service area. Gather necessary documents, such as your utility account information and proof of residence. Next, explore the list of approved EV chargers for the incentive program. Select a charger that meets the program specifications and is compatible with your electric vehicle. Once you've chosen a charger, contact a licensed electrician for installation. Schedule a site assessment to ensure that your home's electrical system can support the new charger. After installation, keep all invoices and receipts related to the purchase and installation of the EV charger. Return to the Southern California Edison website to complete the application form for the incentive. Enter all required details accurately, including your personal information and installation details. Upload scanned copies of your invoices and any documentation requested. After submitting your application, note the reference number provided for tracking the status. Wait for the confirmation email regarding your application status. If approved, the incentive amount will be credited to your utility account or sent as a check, depending on the program specifications. Follow up with Southern California Edison if you don't receive updates within the specified timeframe. Enjoy charging your electric vehicle at home while benefiting from the incentives you've activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.